Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your HP 255 is not turning on. So if your device is not turning on, most probably the issue is your device simply being discharged, and you can check your device's state by looking at the power indicator next to your charging port. If you can see that it's glowing red or orange, that means that your device is not charged enough. Then you're gonna have to wait with your charger inserted into your computer until the color changes to white, like in this case. And after that, simply short press the power button that is located right here in order to restart your device. And if this isn't helping you, then check your device's charging brick. Make sure that your charging brick provides your device with at least 45 watts of power. Also try switching the power outlets. If one power outlet isn't delivering enough power to your device, you can just connect your charging brick directly into the wall outlet, for example, or just try using a different one. And if your device was recently exposed to either extremely hot or extremely cold temperatures, you should disconnect your device from the charger and instead leave it to rest for up to 12 hours. And after that, try restarting it again. If your device got wet or you spilled something on it, in such case, you definitely shouldn't charge your device and reach out to either HP official customer support service or some nearby certified service center to get your laptop repaired instead. And if nothing I mentioned before matches the description of your situation, then most probably your device's battery is simply dead and you have to replace it. Once again, you can do it in a certified repair center, or you can do it yourself if you are a professional. You can check the official parts for your laptop on the HP support website if you'd like to. Or once again, you can just take your laptop out to the repair center and they will do everything for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.